A minor to E major, A minor to C major, to the E minor, A minor to C major, to A minor, to D major,